It's popping out.
Meron pa rin hindi mga nagpop-out, pero okay na yun. Ay!
I told you.
Sorry, okay, you told me yes. So, okay, let's wait for it to Hi! So, guys, ngayon, gagawa kami ng popcorn. So, ito ang pinaka-banding talaga namin is either cooking or playing. So, for now, we will make some popcorn. This one, we just bought these two Vista Mall. Mura lang naman yung mga ganito. This one is 28. Ang dami na niya. So, ang dami na rin namin na dito. Then, of course, cheese powder. Mura lang din naman siya. Yeah, this cheese powder. And then, butter. We always use butter instead of oil. Kasi mas gusto namin yung lasa. Tsaka, dahil wala kaming microwave. And then, hindi namin siya pwede gawin sa oven kasi nakakatakot. So, yeah. We will just use the cooking. What?
Cooking popcorn.
Yeah, we will cook popcorn. So, first, of course, we need to put the butter. Wait, baby. This one, butter first. Actually, konti lang naman yung nilalagay namin. Para lang hindi siya...
Make popcorn with the pen. We don't make popcorn.
Yeah. We're going to make popcorn. Wait, may tubig pa pala siya. Yeah. Vera loves to bake or cook. So, ito talaga yung pinaka-bonding moment namin. Show them the popcorn. You love popcorn?
Yes.
Yeah, she loves popcorn. Sorry for the messy hair since we woke up like this. Yeah, and then now we will put the popcorn. Okay. Just a little bit, okay? Konti lang nalagay namin since marami na talaga siya. Lalo na kapag later makikita niyo yung finished product. So, wait. Yan din magiging itsura niya. Let's show them. So, ayan. Ayan siya. And then, tatakpan lang namin siya. Tapos, puputok na siya. So, let's wait for a few what? Minutes. We'll wait for the popcorn to pop out. Yeah, it will pop out, right? Yan, so waiting time. So, feeling ko, actually, this, one of the pros of being a working mom at home. Tapos nakakasama ko siya. And then watch out sa next video namin. Since, magta-try ako mag-upload. Kasi marami rin nagtatanong sa akin kung paano maging virtual assistant, ano yung mga kailangan, tapos, paano mag-apply. So, please watch out na lang doon since, syempre, kailangan ko muna siyang ayusin para naman magkaroon tayo ng outline. Wow. May turo ko yung mga kailangan talaga. Kasi yun na yung parang pinaka-preferred, lalo na kapag nanay ka, na gusto mo pa rin kumita, na nasa bahay ka na nagbabantay na kids. So, hopefully, yung video na yun makatulong sa inyo at magkaroon din kayo ng online job kasi marami sa tao na feeling nila pag online job is scam, which is not. Marami rin naman yung talagang legit. Kailangan nyo lang, syempre, pumunta sa right site. Tapos, kailangan nyo lang mag-apply ng right application. And then, yun, tiyaga lang talaga since hindi naman porket isang apply is tanggap na agad. So, tatsagain nyo pati yung mga kailangan, syempre, internet. Yung mga ganun itatakal ko sa next video namin. Hopefully, makagawa ako. Kasi nahiya talaga ako mag-discuss about doon. So, pero dahil marami rin nagtatanong sa akin about doon, yan, gagawa ako. Oops! Careful! Don't touch it because it's hot. Talk to your friends.
Put some cheese powder.
So, later, papakita namin sa inyo yung finished product. Okay, say bye-bye first.
Bye-bye!
So, ayun guys, nag-i-start na siyang mag-pop out. Ewan ko lang kung makikita niyo siya. But, ayan, silipin natin. There. Ayun na talaga siya. Later, we will put some, what we gonna put?
Cheese powder.
Cheese powder. Actually, ngayon lang kami nag-cheese powder since ng mga nakakaraan. Lagi lang namin lalagay Himalayan salt. So, safe to. Try nyo sa mga supermarket kung meron din. But dahil may cheese powder na, ito na nalagay namin kaysa sa Himalayan salt. Careful. What will you say to them? What do you want to say? Say, right? And?
Why?
Tell them.
Big cut and switch on the chin and switch on the pistol. Big cut and switch on the chin. Bye.
It's not yet, Chana.
Okay.
Wait, it's not yet though.
Wow.
Hold them. So, bantayan nyo na baka matutong. Kasi minsan natututong kami. Yung
Cheese
nakaraan,
powder.
natutong siya. Cheese powder!
Cheese powder.
Okay. Still popping out.
Yes, you should not open it because it's popping out.
Meron pa rin hindi mga nag-pop out, pero okay na yun. Ay!
I told you.
Sorry, okay, you told me yes. So, okay, let's wait for it to calm down. Count 1 to 10 so that it will be finished. Count 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Up to 20. 11.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20.
Very good. Okay. It's time.
Out.
Yeah, it didn't pop out now. It's not popping out. So, just put it here. And then,
Cheese powder.
yeah, but just a little bit of cheese powder, okay?
Oh, we
Okay.
made it mess.
Actually, maraming, yeah, it's mess. Sorry, I will just bring it up. Marami naman cheese powder na nabibili, but we prefer this since ito yung mura.
Maybe.
Siyempre, practical na tayo, guys. Okay. Just a little bit of cheese. And then what will you do?
Let's eat.
Yeah, mix it. We need to mix it. So,
Now it is finished.
yeah, I know. I think it's hot. Like it?
Finished.
Yes. So, guys, show them. They're finished pala. So, ito na yung, so ayan, gusto na ni Phil. Okay, I think this will end our video. So, bye! Please like and subscribe our channel with Fiel. Bye-bye!